You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Nice to see you on this Monday afternoon, a wet Monday afternoon at that. We'll get to around 9 degrees today. Average high this time of year is 11, so a little below average. We'll slip to 7 degrees late evening after around 10 millimeters of rain today. And we see more rain on the way for tomorrow morning, and it's not going to really go anywhere. It's just going to keep retrograding, but then it should be done by Wednesday, when we are left with a mostly cloudy sky and salvaging some sunshine a little bit later in the morning and in the afternoon. Belleville, wishing you a fantastic Monday afternoon. A weather statement is in effect for you for the rain and conditions like this. You know, it starts to pool and starts to settle on the highways and the roads, so take it easy out there if you can. 9 degrees your expected high, windy conditions as well. 9 degrees tomorrow, much the same for tomorrow, that 10 millimeters of rain. And then some sunshine for you by Wednesday and a nice high of 14 degrees, well above average. Brockville, 8 degrees for you today, 10 millimeters of rain and wind at 9 degrees tomorrow with around the same amount, and then 12 degrees on Wednesday. Some sunny periods to enjoy. At least the good news here, overnight lows well above zero, so we're not dealing with snow, we're not dealing with freezing rain, we're not dealing with ice on the grounds. 7 degrees for Smiths Falls though today, 8 for tomorrow. Wednesday, you're looking at 13 degrees with the return of some sunshine after a couple of days of rain. Now for Kingston, we'll get to 9 degrees today, 9 degrees tomorrow with more rain, 5 to 10 millimeters of rain today, much the same tomorrow. 13 on Wednesday, a mix of sun and clouds. The sunny periods still keep on coming at this point for Thursday, getting to 12. And we're going to end the week with, guess what? Yep, more rain and a high of 13 degrees.
Well, it wasn't a bad weekend. We weren't totally without sunshine, and it looked like the bulk of the precipitation that did come our way over the weekend managed to go night side, most of it anyway. And it looks like we're not finished with this wet weather out of the west. Moving in tonight, we'll see more. And some of us could see some heavy rain. Special weather statements issued for the Belleville, Quinte, Northumberland region. The rest of us, no warnings or even statements. We're kind of sitting on the fence exactly how much rain you will see. And looks like this rainy period's coming to an end soon. We're going to have some decent days this week, a couple anyway. A little cooler today, only a high of 9 in Belleville, 8 in Kingston, the same for Brockville, 7 in Smiths Falls in Ottawa, and 8 for Peterborough, 9 Oshawa, 10 in Toronto. All below normal. Kingston, you should be hitting an 11. So yeah, we are below normal. And then northeast wind is the culprit, gusting up to 54 kilometers per hour when reported at the top of the hour from Norman Rogers. And we're 93% relative humidity right now. So lots of moisture, 12 millimeters of rain in the last 24 hours and counting. There's more yet to come. And you had just over 30 millimeters on the weekend, the bulk of that in the overnight periods. Here's the double low moving in, absorbing energy from this one. This is the one that'll bring you the rain tonight. But it teams up with a low pressure system, a subtropical, very warm, moist system moving up along the eastern seaboard, along the coast. And as it does, it's going to absorb the energy from this one. So thankfully for us, it'll be short-lived, move on, and we'll get back to some decent conditions on Wednesday. However, once this subtropical low absorbs what's left of the Colorado low that we're seeing now, it's going to head off to Atlantic Canada. It's going to turn into a nor'easter, a real bomb. It's going to spread out and bring all kinds of rain and strong winds to Atlantic Canada. The Maritimes, more specifically, I think Nova Scotia probably looking at the most rain and the strongest winds as a result of this in the next 48 hours. For us, though, we're going to see it open up. Once we get that rain out of the way tomorrow, by tomorrow evening, it should come to an end. We get into high pressure. So we're expecting not pure sunny skies over Wednesday and Thursday, but it does look as if we'll have our share. So this is where we sit now, rain falling currently, and that you'll probably see about 10 to 15 millimeters through the overnight. And then, yeah, the heavier rain moving in. You see the bulk of that is stateside. It's not really a big factor for us, but we're sort of getting the top end of it, and this is going to move through very quickly over Tuesday. Hope to see some partial clearing overnight and into Wednesday. At least a mix of sun and cloud. Thursday might actually bring you mainly sunny skies, very few clouds. So, and temperatures back to double digits too. Only a high of 9 tomorrow as the rain takes over. You can see 20 to 30 millimeters. Wednesday, mix of sun and cloud and a high of 14 Belleville. Very nice, and up to 12 on Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud. Brockville, high 9, 20 to 30 millimeters of rain for you as well. Will rise to 12 Celsius Wednesday. Mostly cloudy. You won't see that mix of sun and cloud till late afternoon. And Thursday, it's mostly sunny with a high of 13. And Smiths Falls, same sort of trend. You're not going to get the heavier rain. We're not really giving you even any numbers. We're just saying, yes, you will see showers and periods of rain. I'm guessing 10 to 20 millimeters. That's your ballpark. Wednesday, mix of sun and cloud with a high 13, and you'll probably rise to 12 on Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud. Kingston, your 5-day high 9, rain 20 to 30 millimeters tomorrow, and those northeast winds gusting to 60 by the afternoon. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, high 13, clearing late in the day. Thursday, mix of sun and cloud up to 12. We rise to 13. Friday, with a mix of sun and cloud, the chance of showers returning in the afternoon at 40% probability. Saturday, yeah, we're going to see some showers and rain, only high of 12, but that's fairly seasonal. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam's since 1962 with same-day delivery.
You may have noticed this in the sky yesterday afternoon. If you look to the northeast, Mike Thornton did. Thanks for the photo, Mike. We noticed it when we were out shopping. This is called cloud iridescence. Very similar to the same principles that cause rainbows and sundogs. You're basically, the ice crystals in the higher altitude are acting as a prism as the light shines through them. And so you get this, it almost looks like it's been set on fire.
It looks like an eye in the sky, or something Van Gogh would have done.
It looks like a painting. Yeah, that's the first, when I saw it, that's the first thing I thought of, was some sort of painting of some kind. Beautiful.
Great picture.
Mother Nature is a great artist. Thanks, Mike, for sending that photo. If you've got pics, send them to us too at submissions@ckwstv.com.
So another day of rain settling in, Bill.
Yes, it looks that way.
And temperatures going to rebound, or at least get to seasonal?
Yeah, we'll get up there to even above seasonal in a couple places for a day or so, but then they start to slip back down again. You'll notice that in your long range.
Yes, we'll also be looking for Halloween weather for the trick-or-treaters on Sunday as well. We'll get you back here for that a little later. Thank you, Bill.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
Lots of low pressure heading our way with some wet weather tonight. We hope to get out from under this wet mess that's going to be bringing pretty heavy rain by sometime tomorrow night. So you've got a full 24 hours of wet weather. Luckily, it's moving through quickly. It's not going to linger. And once it gets to the East Coast, it's going to get absorbed by this other very vigorous subtropical low, and it's going to turn into a nor'easter. Nova Scotia is probably going to get hit pretty hard with strong wind and rain. We're looking at showers tonight and through the day tomorrow, but after that, high pressure moving in, trying to clear it up, still getting a little bit of wrapping around and troughing, so some cloud developing, but other than that, not bad over Wednesday and Thursday. You may have noticed that other frontal boundary just behind me to the west. That'll move in probably Friday or Saturday. Belleville, it looks like a high of 9 tomorrow, 20 to 30 millimeters of rain. Wednesday up to 14 with a mix of sun and cloud. More of the same Thursday with a high of 12 degrees. Brockville, you'll go up to 9 Celsius tomorrow with rain up to 30 millimeters. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, high 12. Mainly sunny Thursday, though, with a high of 13. And Smiths Falls up to 8 degrees tomorrow with shower activity, heavy at times. Wednesday, 13's your high with a mix of sun and cloud, and a mix of sun and cloud Thursday, high 12. I don't think you're going to get the accumulations tomorrow like areas just west of you. Kingston, your long-range forecast, a high of 9. Rain tomorrow, heavy at times, 20 to 30 millimeters as a result of the rain you get tonight and through the day tomorrow. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, a high 13, hoping for a mix of sun and cloud late afternoon, and a mix of sun and cloud Thursday, a high 11 up to 13 Friday with a mix of sun and cloud as the chance of showers returns for the weekend, hoping to see it wrap up Sunday afternoon. Monday, just a mix of sun and cloud, a high of 11.